So hello guys, good morning. So it's a beautiful day and we're going to make an avocado toast. And maybe we're going to put some poached eggs on it later, and I will show you how I'm going to do it. So let's start. Let's get it started. So here we go. Here's the ingredients that I'm going to use: avocado, onion, tomato, eggs, and of course, lemon. I'm going to boil the water and put a splash of white vinegar. And now I get this baby bowl and I'm going to add one egg at a time. I get my timer ready for 1 minute, and once the water starts boiling, I'm going to put the egg carefully, one at a time. I will start the timer now. After the minute is up, I'm going to take it out one at a time. But these don't look pretty as I had hoped. So that was harder than it looks. So we're going to call it hard-boiled egg. Supposed to be a poached one, right? But it turns out wrong or failed. So here's my poached boiled egg. Next, I'm going to cut the avocados in half and take the seed out and the skin, of course. After I cut them up, I'm going to add it into the bowl. Next, I'm going to cut up this little onion into small dices because my husband don't like a big chunks of onion. And when it's ready, I'm going to toast it in a bowl. Then I'm going to do the same thing. Now, I'm going to cut the lemon into half and squeeze it into the bowl. Once this is all together, I'm going to squeeze it into guacamole. And now, I have my fancy little bread. I'm going to put a layer of guacamole and top it with my weird egg. So this meal is pretty small for my husband, so I'm going to add a tuna steak. First, I'm going to warm up some olive oil. Then toast in my tuna steak and flavor it with salt, pepper, and half a lemon. And now it's done. I promise that it tastes better than it looks. Stupid. Okay guys, voila! We're done. So here we go. I have a tuna here and also the poached egg, like with the toast, avocado toast, you know. Poached, but turns into a hard-boiled egg. So, excuse me with that though. We're going to do it later. I know how to do this, the real one poached egg, but my husband don't have any idea though. Okay, guys, so hopefully you're going to watch this video and for for more upcoming videos soon. Okay, more into cooking though. Bye bye.